Okay, I promise to follow up on Blue Runner, étouffée, Creole Gumbo Base products. So here's the follow-up. Now, there is a section, a company in Gonzales, Louisiana. Their website is creolefood.com. That's CREOLE FOOD.com, CON. Their phone number, area code 504-513-4011. Creolefood.com not only would ship Blue Runner to you, they handle dozens of Louisiana-based products from multiple different Louisiana companies. So if you're into Louisiana food, creolefood.com would be the place to go to start. Now, if you strictly want to go, and they'll ship Blue Runner also, according to what they just told me. Now, if you want to go to Blue Runner and get direct to them, their number is 225-620-0330. And that's Blue Runner in Gonzales, Louisiana, or you can go to their website. Now, that's the follow-up I promised my people. I have one left to try, and that is the jambalaya. Got it. I'm gonna try that today sometime, and I'll throw that to y'all later on. Thank you.